Well, it's the 10th of December already. 10th. 2 weeks until Christmas Eve. Right, so here's the 10th, right at the top. And it's looks like what I would say a radio controlled or remote controlled fire engine. If I can get the thing out, then we can have a look. There we go, in the bag. So it's all in the bag. So we've got there's our white dog poo from yesterday. Right, so a bit like I was making in my very long and tedious video yesterday, a train to go under the tree, and it uses the roller skates. And there we go, that has to be the right way round. And that looks about right. That way round. Excuse my thumbs. I'll give them a trim later. Yes, that on there. A little trans clear. Looks like a fluorescent yellow, that one. Red tile clip there. That's obviously some sort of ladder. There it is. Like that. Looks like a train, I suppose, but quite a good fire engine too, I suppose. There's its radio control. Put that inside because it's probably a toy they got for Christmas. And then we've got a spare red 1x1 tile and a spare roller skate. So I'll put them in my bag of extra bits. And that's the 10th done. See you tomorrow.